these LYB shirts. Editing is fun. Editing is fun. You pick up a lot of weird. Most of it's like bullshit. If you guys want to do some Bondo work, you actually got this clipboard here, right? As a protective layer over it. It was $3 and some change, and underneath of it, you can use it more layers. So you have 4 layers, and then with that, you could just like put some like cardboard paper or something in this clip here and like tape it down for your future mixing or whatever. It's about like $8 at Walmart. This is like 3 and some change. So you guys need to do some like body work, like a line down the middle kind of thing. This isn't quite true for like Bondo, but this is how I do it. I do it just cause like, this is how I do it. This is just how I do it just cause I know it's gonna get hard. And so basically, just like cut it each time and then you kind of do it some more. I'm just trying to hurry up because I can tell it's getting a little hard already. But, so yeah, this is kind of what you do a little bit. But that's cause I'm hiding a lot. But I pulled it off, right? Did I pull it off, you guys? Did you guys agree? Let's get it, so, and then what you do is, and you just one forward motion. If you guys ever like spread drywall or something, I've never done that, but that's what I've heard. It's like,
yeah, it's like drywall.
You guys want to try it then? Have you ever spread drywall?
I have.
You want to try it real quick?
Not really.
I'm recreating that line there a little bit.
Yeah, you can tell. Windy as fuck.
Anyways, that's not too terrible.
That's not bad at all. You see this?
That's just because it's a little high right there, but I can knock that down. So,
oh yeah.
Real cheap. Body
Bondo.
work real quick. So.
$10. That's all you got?
Let's get it.
Bondo.
I mean, about 15, but
15.
we out here, right?
10, 15.
So just take 20. So if you guys look closely here, all of those little squares right here, I'm gonna pop out those clips because there used to be some moldings that are supposed to go on there, but since I put the front bumper on there, I was kind of leaning more towards not having them on. Behind those are holes like so, so I was gonna have my buddy weld those up for me. So that's what I got going on. That seems pretty hard. Took some fine grit sandpaper to it and it seemed to be doing all right. This area right around over here, I'm gonna do another layer, block it, maybe by Friday have like just a coat of primer, and I got get rid of this bare metal because you can see it's already rusting. So yeah, that's what I got planned for right now. What's going on, you guys? So just now, Alonzo and I on both sides just grabbed a, if you can see over there, a hammer and a screwdriver, and knocked out all those plastic clips that were holding in there, and now he's got it grounded and we're gonna weld up this side and I'll show you guys in a sec. Yeah, just don't look, bro. Alright. Is it just coming out? Yeah, it's coming off pretty good. Well, that's getting way bigger, huh?
Yeah, that's fucking huge. Melting it every time the tack hits just pushes that hole out and we're blowing it out. So we're going to use these and try and build off of them to fill the hole.
Yeah, it's good.
Bro, you looking a little cold out here.
Oh yeah, that.
An LYB long sleeve, bro.
I don't want to ruin it though.
I know, it's all 80 on my wrist. D-Rose, 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 D-Rose. Yo, what's going on, everybody? So I just thought I'd give you guys a little better update while I have the LYV long sleeve on because I don't want to get it too messy. But right now, I'm actually doing some body work on the E30. So my biggest thing for this car right now is the door molding delete, right side fender, right side quarter panel. I got to fix some of the rust on this car. It snowed and I just want to put a coat of primer on it. But here's a better in-depth what I'm going to be doing with the door molding deletes. I'm already midway through, but I hope you guys understood by the welding. Here's this side, you guys. Basically, if you look here, we welded up all of these holes here. You can see the burns up there. And then on this side is mid-body work, hence the Bondo can up there. I am used to using like better brands and stuff because most of them kind of look like this. So let's see if we can zoom in here. Most of them look like that. So to take a little sanding, I'm going to do one full layer on each panel from here to here and then from here to here just to make it not as bumpy and wavy. Do that to that side, and then this needs some sanding and then some filler and then some sanding along with this guy here. This might not get perfect, but it's kind of improvisation, but I hope I can trim down this video, but that's basically what I've got going on. I'm gonna set the camera over here. Alright, I really hope you guys enjoyed that little walk around. Sorry if it was a little long, but it's just kind of an update, and I just really wanted to get this car going good. I'm really just gonna go dive into this and just make sure it's looking good, and that's my plan. We are definitely out here. Oh, wifey. Hey, we filming, so I just figured, so I'm back out here. Oh, look at that. I just caught that on camera. And I left my freaking keys on there. Whoops. Anyways, so right over here I sanded a little bit on this fender. I'm gonna do like this wide now. Got rid of most of the waves, but there's still a couple lows while this side is drying, and I'm gonna show you guys kind of the process on how I did that real quick, so hold on one sec. So I want to show you guys this Bondo breaks off pretty good. The best thing to do is put it in lacquer thinner. I don't have any, so I'm just kind of peeling it off right here. But what this is a chunk of this. I measured kind of the width of this flat right here, and now I can go in and smoothly do this inside right here. So that's the plan. I'm gonna try not to make too much of a mess, but can't guarantee anything.
You having fun?
A little bit. Just kind of a little instructional thing.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Just budget, you know, like you can do it for like 15 bucks, and
You're making progress.
I just sanded it all down, but
That's work.
yeah, I'm gonna give it a coat of primer and then paint. So I'll stop.
You're gonna paint it yourself?
Yeah. Not.
Spray paint?
Yeah, at a friend's garage, I think. Yep.
Oh,
I got the guns and everything, so.
Cool.
Yeah, it'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Looks good. W's never wear out. That's what I hear.
It's evenly spread, and yeah, that's basically it. That's sandable, so. Yo, what's up, you guys? So, I pretty much had to go in the dumpster to grab this little guy. Just gonna try to cover these last two up here and call it. So yeah. So I'm gonna go wash up my hands real quick, and I'm gonna show you a close-up of kind of what I got going on here. So I did a little bit on the quarter panel over here. Alright, so you guys, so basically over here, I did a thin layer, and then above that, I kept that gray in the middle, because I know that's the natural body line. Yeah, I gotta sand both sides, basically, is what I got planned right now for today. So the paper got a little too gummed up down there, so that's why that's not done. But that's what it looks like with it spread all the way down, and then I'm gonna do one more all the way down. That's what I got done for today. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna come back out here tomorrow and do the other side, sand as much as I can. I just gotta get more paper, so. Alright, you guys, so that's basically what I have for the left side. Now on to the right side. Yo, what's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to let you guys know I did all of the body filler with 180, so now I'm gonna hit all of this rust right here with the 180. I might not film it, but I'm also gonna be taking out the grills and the taillights and the front bumper, and then everything else will just be masked off. So to take off my front end, you only need 2 little tools to take it off. This wrench and this screwdriver. Here, check it out.